everyone, with me, Ayla Farin Pramadana. Here I will accompany you in news today. The earthquake that happened to Banda Aceh in 2013 ago was still remembered until now. The earthquake was about 5,3 scalar Richter, and this disaster made many victims fall and many buildings in Aceh broken. The victims soon be evacuated and got healing. Now the condition in Banda Aceh was better and in a good condition. So that's all for news today. See you in the next news.